What are the specifications of K2 clothing label samples? This video walks you through the details. Depending on the customer's preference, samples are available in either A4 sheets or small roll formats. The sample shown here is a 4 size. The sample shown now is the small roll size. K2 is a professional manufacturer of vinyl materials. As we do not provide printing or cutting services, the samples we supply consist of blank material only. You are welcome to contact K2 for more samples. You can reach us using the contact details provided below the video.